Tonight, the state Supreme Court threw out a lawsuit filed against a constitutional amendment in the upcoming election.
The attorney who filed the suit said the language was vague and not transparent. Capitol correspondent Alexis Maroney asked the bill's author to clear up any confusion.
This is probably the greatest tax reform package Louisiana has ever seen.
That's State Representative Julie Emerson. During a special session last year, lawmakers focused on shaking up the state tax code.
We wanted to accomplish two things. We wanted to fix our business tax structure to make it less complicated, to attract more business to Louisiana and spur economic growth, and we wanted to set us on a path to getting to zero income tax.
The amendment essentially rewrites Article 7 of the state constitution, which deals with revenue and finance.
So we sat down, because that's a very, very long section of it, and said, all right, what do we need to put and safeguard in the Constitution, and what really should be reserved for the tax code?
Months later, Amendment 2, the product of that work, is on the ballot, and it's gotten a lot of attention.
Anytime you're trying to do anything really big and do major reforms, there's always going to be a lot of controversy and a lot of questions.
The controversy and questions.
We have had constitutional protection for churches, all of their activities, and nonprofits forever, virtually, and there's no reason to remove that protection from the Constitution.
Some religious leaders worry that if the amendment passed, everything except the actual space where services are held could be subject to property taxes. But Emerson says there's no intent to tax churches or nonprofits.
I do understand it's a lot. That's why we're doing a lot of this. We're doing a lot of interviews.
But what about the teacher pay raise that's tied to the vote?
Now, if the amendment doesn't pass, obviously, we'll have to go back to the drawing board on, do we renew a stipend? Do we facilitate a pay raise on the state level? But really, I've always felt like trying to empower the locals to give that pay raise was really a better way to go.
Alexis Maroney, WBRZ News 2.